beautiful people? Welcome back to alazaesbeauty. Now today I want to give a little quick talk about shimmers and glitter. You know your girl loves glitter, loves shimmers, the whole jam, the whole works. I love it. So I just want to show a couple of these. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have them. If not, I'm going to show you a couple of things. So obviously the stila, they're really known for their popular one, which is this one. This one is really good. I love this one. This one you can do a cut crease, you can do shimmer. I love this on regular days, or if you want to do like, you know, for like proms or for homecomings, you know, etc., whatever. And I apologize for the stains. I'm gonna take these off. I was trying the Kylie lip kits. I know a lot of people don't like her, but I just want to just see how good they work. So let me show you anyways how this one is stila. So that's how the color works on this one. I like that one. It's like a nice little gold, and I love it, especially with my skin tone. I just love it. It looks excellent. So, and I will put all the prices down below in case you guys were interested. All right, put this over here. Next one, that's one of my favorites, is obviously I did a video about this before. This is a Toofaced one, which is this one right here. This I believe from the Tutti Frutti collection. Love it. This is just plain shimmer. And then this one I'm gonna swatch it as well. Put it right over here. This is pretty much shimmer glitter. And you can use this on top of your shadows, or like I like to do sometimes in the inner corners. You can't go wrong with that. All right, and my last one but not least, this is a new one that Revolution has, and this is pretty cool. I was like, I have to try it just to see how it goes. So this one is like a rose gold. This one's in the shade I Glisten, and I actually have it on today. I have this on my lid, and then I have the glitter in my inner corners, and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a swatch for you. This one's gonna be right here. So that's a swatch for that one. I love it. Excellent. Can never go wrong. And any skin tone will look beautiful in this one. Let me do the glitter in the opposite. Alright. And then I'm gonna do the glitter on top of this one. That one. Because this glitter is like, whoa. Bam. I love it. Love it. So if you guys are interested in any glitter or shimmers, these are one of the three that I recommend, highly recommend. I love it. Beautiful, gorgeous. You got the Stila, the Toofaced, and Revolution. All good prices, all good deals. Definitely check that out. And if you guys haven't had a chance to look at Ulta for the 21 Days of Beauty, they got good deals going on. So definitely check that out. I'm sorry you're talking like this. I feel like I'm coming down with the cold. But allergy season already here with me is like, ugh. But anyways, well, I hope you guys enjoying your beautiful day today. And don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. Bye-bye.